get this thing off of here. Guy said it's leaking on the wall, so get this off. This is a problem. I can tell right now that's a problem. Very loosey goosey. Get that off. Get that handle off of there and lucky this is even coming off. See how that's loosey-goosey? No good. She's a loosey-goosey one, wow. It's probably leaking in that diverter. I guarantee it. This has to come off. Yeah, you can see it's been leaking right there. That's a problem. Sometimes this will be broken, but that's not the case. That's fine. So I gotta get that out of there. I know that's gonna leak. I can see it's all wet. I'm gonna get that out of there. A special tool I call a Raven tool. That's gonna come out. That has to come out. That thing that has to come out of there. Oh yeah. Yeah, the O-ring is the problem, but we're gonna put a new one in there. I usually like to get in there with a little cleaner action. A little 1/2-inch fit-in brush will go right in there and clean it good. Put some lube on it. We'll put some lube on the new one. Oh, seems like it's still dripping. Little leaker. There's a leaker. See if we can get it in there. Maybe. Make sure you don't muck it up, muff it up. We'll get that back in there and we'll see what happens. It shouldn't leak now. I'll get the new one in there. That was definitely a problem. Yeah, I could feel the other one was a problem. This is a compression type of valve. You have to tighten it or it's going to leak. This is a rental, so I'll just do what I have to do. She's a rental, Mama. Want to reinvent the wheel here. Just do what you have to do. That was definitely a leaking in the wall. I know that for a fact. I know that for a fact, Jack. I know that was leaking for sure. I could tell it was all wet. That was the problem. Well, that's no deal there. It's not dripping, so that's better. That O-ring is what the problem is. That O-ring gets... just changed the whole thing. This one actually comes with another part right there. Leave this in the box.